Hello guys, welcome back to me, Talk about the one only thing all love money. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can make money on YouTube without making videos. But before I dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Without wasting any time, let's get started. It's no secret that money can be made on YouTube. I remember I once shared with you guys after 2 weeks of being monetized, I had made around $386. Many other YouTubers have shared their YouTube revenue, so we know it can be a good side hustle or a full-time job. Sitting down and thinking about videos you're going to record, setting up and actually start recording is no joke. Sometimes you can have a good phone or a camera to start recording, but maybe you don't know how to edit. Or even worse, maybe your camera is shy. But does that mean now you can't start a YouTube channel and potentially make money? Of course you can. You can do what is called YouTube automation, and there are two ways to go about it. The first one, you can use other people's content but following YouTube fair use guidelines. If you're going to be using other people's videos, you can't use videos like this one where someone is showing their face, because that's against YouTube. But instead, you can use those videos where the face is not shown but just a voiceover. You will have to use your own voiceover, your own script. You can't just download someone's video and re-upload it. YouTube will notice and they will give you copyright strike and they can terminate your channel. If you can type on YouTube 10 richest people in the world, you will see that the first 5 videos, when you click on them, it's just going to be someone using their voice and just a slideshow showing those people. Or you can type 10 fastest cars. You will see that they are not showing any face, they are just showing those fastest cars. Most of those people don't create that content or those videos. They download most of these videos on YouTube and then they re-edit them, use free stock photos or free videos from Unsplash or Pixabay. If you follow fair use guidelines, you can use someone's content for only 30 seconds. That's why when you see those videos such as top 10 richest people or top 10 fastest cars, you realize that after 30 seconds they use a free stock photo or a video as a transition. Some people use this method with the goal of making money on YouTube, end up failing because they download someone else's video, edit it and then re-upload with the same title, same everything. That's gonna be too much competition for you and you may not even rank on YouTube. So you want to stand out. The question is, how can you stand out? You have to add extra things to your video that's gonna make it more valuable than the other video. If for example you typed top 5 most expensive cars in 2021, you want to upgrade your video and say top 10 most expensive cars in 2021. Instead of just using one video, now you'll be forced to do more research, download more of similar videos and compile your own video. That way your video has more value than the other videos and you can potentially rank on YouTube. Using this method, you won't have to set up or record any video. The only thing you need is a voiceover. The nice thing with YouTube automation is you can easily have multiple channels. Unlike a personal channel like this one, I have to record all the videos, I have to think what I'm gonna say, I have to create the content myself. But with YouTube automation, you can have 4 or 5 channels in different niches because you are not the one who's creating the content. The second method you can go about it is to hire people to even do the voiceover for you, find the perfect video, download and re-edit and do everything for you. Instead of stressing, downloading videos and making sure that you follow YouTube guidelines, you can have someone do all that for you. You can find people from Fiverr or Upwork. So you pay someone to do the voiceover and then you post the video. You don't have to worry about anything. There is a guy called Chase here on YouTube who's making 100,000 on ads alone. He has 20 YouTube channels and the only way that is possible because he's doing YouTube automation. He has people creating content for all those channels. There are even YouTube channels for sleep music and meditation music and people are making money. They go to YouTube audio library, download free music like instrumental music and re-upload that music, put a title, put a thumbnail and put ads on those videos. If you don't believe me, after this video just type sleep music or meditation music. You realize that most channels, they have like 4 or 5 hours of music and it's the same music playing over and over again. Funny thing is, I personally use those channels. Like when I can't sleep, I do listen to sleep music until I sleep, and those ads that play while I'm sleeping, the person is making money. Some people create YouTube channels in sports. They take videos that are already on YouTube, follow guidelines and then add their commentary or their voiceover. The nice thing with this way of making money is, if for example you're running a sports channel, you don't only have to report about the sport in your country. You can watch sports maybe in America or in the UK and you can download clips, create a video and add a voiceover. That means you'll get views from those countries, and if those countries have higher CPM, then you can make more money because the CPM is higher in those countries. So if you have been wanting to start a YouTube channel for the purpose of making money and you want to show your face, you may want to consider this method called YouTube automation. Of course, it's not going to be easy, otherwise everyone will be doing it. But you just have to keep grinding and be patient. Another thing you need to understand is uploading videos on YouTube alone is not enough. You need to optimize your videos for search. search. Add a good description with the keywords you're targeting, a good title, add text, do everything you can to optimize your videos. When it comes to faceless channels, there is a rule. You cannot give up if you haven't posted at least 33 videos, because it takes at least 33 videos for YouTube algorithm to understand what your channel is about. You maybe like and see growth before 33 videos, but in general, don't give up if you don't see results immediately. And lastly, if you're going to be using this way of making money on YouTube, try to post at least twice a week, because you are relying on the algorithm, not people, because no one knows who you are. That's it for today, guys. If you have any question regarding this way of making money on YouTube, go ahead and comment down below, and I'm going to try to reply as soon as I can.